Our P-Tech program gives our students exposure to applied technologies, agricultural technologies. It also looks at things like micro-skilling, small systems technologies as well. But it also takes it a little bit further than that, and it looks at things such as project management. It also helps them build things such as resilience that are going to be so critically important as they're problem solving what the needs are for the future.
The P-Tech program is a great opportunity of showing kids how to practically apply STEM skills to lead them into a number of different pathways. It could lead them into engineering pathways, or it could lead them into vocational trades. It's a really good exposure to a broad range of systems thinking to design and develop a project solution.
Well, our P-Tech program is quite an involved process. What the students mainly learn is a lot of relay control logic, programming skills, also project management skills as well, so they can take that into the future with budget costings, how to run a project, how to do time management skills, and also we have a lot of fun with it at the same time.
Well, along with the obvious skills involved in their trade areas, the practical side of things, they pick up a lot of skills in and around what it takes to put a project like something like this together. The preparation, the costing, the development and the whole sort of process that goes with working on something like this, working with groups and teams and building up to something we would expect from trades people out on site.
One of the main qualities we've found is definitely that confidence, and that's important because the students don't actually know what they know yet, for a better word. They probably don't understand the importance of what they've learned, and probably until they go into actual industry and be able to apply those skills. And once they apply these, they're going to come back to their days at the college and their P-Tech program, and they're going to go, I know exactly what to do because we learned that, or we did that.
So P-Tech's a fantastic program to bring in students and apprentices into our industry in a constantly changing, innovative world. So it brings in a fresh perspective and also brings in those who are able to change and move and innovate with the times. It's very important for Energy Queensland for us to be able to move with how technology is moving and with the times at the moment. So P-Tech is an unusual and unique program that's coming through that is perfect for our future apprentices and our future team moving forward.